Dark thunder clouds came rolling through the sky. Then the heavens light by the lightning all around. Soft start the thunder and grow to a defiant roar. With a puff puff, the first raindrops hit the ground. All the heavens were torn open with fury and fire. The thunder grew worse and the trees start to shiver. The raindrops changed to masses of pouring water, and the small little stream turned into a mighty river. Lightning struck a lovely old weeping willow tree. The big and proud old branches were torn apart, and the pouring rain, the old giant fell to the ground, and the big red flames reach to heaven from its heart. A bright ray of sunshine breaks through the clouds. The pouring rain stops, the streams flow to the sea. The sunshine lights up the bright blue cloudless sky. The only evidence, the wreck of the punished old tree.